There is serious wealth transfer that is going on right now as we speak, and AI is leading the charge. AI is producing the next set of billionaires, and I want you to be part of it. AI automation companies are smiling to the bank on a daily basis, and it does not require much capital nor technicalities to start one. You can start one as a side hustle using this particular tool that we'll be talking about today. You can be making between $50 to $250 per day with this particular AI tool I will show you today. But first of all, let us clear these misconceptions about artificial intelligence, because so many people look at it as a competitor, while so many people are thinking that AI will come and take away their job. That is not true. The truth is that AI is just a partner. Artificial intelligence is a computer machine that think, learn, and act as human. That does not mean that it can replace human, not at all. It only helps human to solve problems, perform tasks, and make faster decisions based on the data that are presented to it. If you are still thinking that artificial intelligence is your competitor, then you are making a great mistake. You need to think again, because artificial intelligence is just a business partner that will help you to generate income, scale your business, and make money for yourself. Now, let us take a look at what this AI tool called Gamma can do, and then talk about how to use it to make money. Gamma is your AI-powered partner for creating perfect proposals, company-branded marketing tools, training materials, reports, and so on and so forth. There are numerous things you can use this particular AI tool to do. And let's even look at the benefits of using this AI tool before we talk about how to use it to make money. Stay with me so that I will show you how you can use this AI tool and make money, build wealth for yourself. Number one benefit is that it is fast in creating content. You can create proposals, reports, and all that I have mentioned before within matter of minutes, not hours, not days. These are things that usually take days to come up with. But using this particular tool, just type in a very good prompt explaining your ideas, and this particular AI tool will generate it in matter of minutes. Number two, your design will look very professional without you being a designer. Just simple prompt that will explain your ideas of what you want. This AI tool will bring it out in a very professional way. Companies most times get rejected of their proposal because of the way it is packaged. This particular tool will help you to solve that problem, because by the time you generate your ideas and input it into this particular AI tool called Gamma, it will bring it out in a professional way, and it will have a professional outlook without you being a designer. Number three, easy sharing and accessibility. Gamma content is responsive and can be shared with just a link. No need of carrying bulky PowerPoint files nor emails that are bulky most times. With this AI tool, you can just share your link to the people you want to see your proposals, and a click will help them to get there and see your professional creativity. Number four, multiple use case. All your departments, both your marketing department will use this particular AI tool to generate marketing tools that are very professional. The sales department, the same thing. Your HR will also use it to generate training materials for your staffs. Your admin will also use it to generate reports of your activities and anything, any report at all, and proposals and branded proposals of your company that will look very, very professional. Number five, it saves money and time, because all these things that used to take days, even you need to invite designers to your office and rest of that, this particular AI tool will help you to solve those things in a matter of minutes. That is the power of AI. Stop looking at AI as your competitor. See it as a partner and begin to use them, integrate it into your business and begin to use them to generate good and faster results at the end of the day. That will also help you to generate more income for your company. And if you are somebody that is about to start up, You can use it to start up and make money. Even if you are a student or whatever you are, you can start an AI automation company using this particular tool and begin to render services and then begin to make money for yourself. If you even want to start a side hustle as a career person, you can use this AI tool and make money. So that is what I am saying. AI is not your competitor. AI is an income generating machine, and begin to treat it like that and you begin to see results. Now let's go. Let me show you how this AI tool works. Let us take a preview and a tour of what Gamma can do. So come with me. Let's dive in and see how it works. Okay, you're welcome to Gamma app. This is my home page. This is where I started my work with Gamma, and I will show you some of the things I've done already, and you will see that it's something that even a layman without any experience can as well do. So you can use this particular version, which is free, or you can get the unlimited version, which you may need to subscribe for. But with this free version, you can as well achieve so many things using this particular app. Now, looking at this place, you see the way it is laid out, and then you'll be able to navigate your way. First of all, you may decide to check out these tips and tricks on how to use Gamma. So if you click it, it will show you some of the things you want to know on how to use this particular app. Just like I told you that before, that most of these apps has a way of teaching a learner, a beginner, on how to use the app. So let us check this out, the tips and the tricks, and then see what we can learn from there. You can use your phone, you can use your laptop, but for this video I am using my phone. So we are on the page, the tips and tricks of how to use Gamma. So let us scroll down and see what the page is made of. So looking at this particular place is asking, we are your AI design partner for effortless creation. So you see, this is what I am telling you, that AI is your partner, not your competitor. So scrolling down, you will see so many things you can achieve using this app, and it will show you all the tricks and the tips that you want, that will help you to achieve these designs at the end of the day. So it's a very simple tool to use, and at the same time it will teach you on what you need to know and what you need to do. So let's keep going down. This is how to edit on Gamma. So it will keep showing you all these things. You will learn how to do them, and it's very simple to do. Now it is your turn. Yes, it is now our turn to practice what we have learned so far. I'll be showing you two designs I've already done with this app using simple prompt. The only thing you need at this point, with what you have learned on the tricks and the tips on how to use this app, is your simple prompt. Generate your prompt according to the uniqueness of what you want to do, and then paste it here, and this app will generate that particular design for you. So let's check out the designs I've already done. I did two designs. I did one for school management system, and I also did one for real estate, guide to success in real estate investment. So let's check out these two work, and you will see the power of Gamma, what Gamma can do with simple prompt that you give to it, what it can design. what it can do. Let's take a look. Let's start with the school management system. This is the school management system. I'm still doing editing on this particular work, but just take a look and then have a feel of what this app can do. So that is it. This is what this app can do, and I hope that you will be giving it a try. Use it as a side hustle, use it to generate money for yourself, use it to start up a business, integrate it into your own business. It is a great tool in your hand. Don't waste the opportunity. Yeah, you have seen how it works. Now let us go and let me show you how to use it to make money. If you have been watching this video to this extent, congratulations, because I will show you now how to use this AI tool and make money for yourself. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video to your friends. That is the way you will encourage us to keep coming out with valuable videos like this. When you subscribe, please on your notification button so that at any time these videos come out, you'll be the first to know. So let us now talk about how to use it to make money. Yes, because that is the main thing. The dollars, that is the main thing. So in every business, there is no business that does not need AI. So being proficient with AI is something that will help you to scale anything that you are doing. And even if you are starting up, you can start up as an AI automation engineer and use it to make money. Now, if you are an entrepreneur, integrate AI into your business. And let me tell you, most of these companies that are out there, the small companies that are out there within your environment, they need these services, but they don't know how to go about it. So you can come in there and help them to set up their own AI automation machines, and then you become a consultant. That is how to use it to make money. So companies are out there looking for this branding. They're also looking for presentations of their products and services. They're also looking for somebody who can help them design websites. They're also looking for somebody who can help them design one thing or the other. You come in here, render these services to them, and then make money. So you can reach out directly to them and render these services to them, charge them fees, and become a consultant. Or you can even do it in such a way that they will be subscribing to your services, either monthly, either yearly, either weekly, depending on what you want. That is a way to use this and make money for yourself. Another way you can use it to make money is to create templates of these things and sell them on Gumroad. You can also sell it on ST or Creative Market. These are places you can create these templates, upload them and sell them and make money. You can also become a freelance presentation designer, either on Fiverr or on Upwork. Create pitch decks, reports and branded presentations. And then you can charge an average price of $30 to $100 depending on the complexity and then the company you are talking about. How much time will it take you to create a design? Highest between 30 minutes to 1 hour, you have done one. So in a situation where you are able to do 1, 2 or 3 of these jobs in a day and you are charging between $30 to $100 per one, it means that you may be making around $90 to $300 per day, depending on how you were able to negotiate with your customers. That is the power of AI. So don't sit down there thinking that there are no businesses for you to do. It only takes interest, because all these things we're talking, you don't need to write any code at all for you to be able to achieve this. It's a matter of putting interest and then learning how it works. And one thing is that even all these AI tools have a way of teaching you, because it has to do with prompts, has a way of teaching you how to be able to do this work without writing any code. So what are you waiting for? What is that is still holding you back to integrate AI into your businesses or to use AI to start up as a business? You are wasting time. Stop leaving money on the table. Get up and then begin to do one thing or the other. There are numerous opportunities that AI is presenting. This is a revolution, as I used to say. And that is why I told you that there is serious wealth transfer that is going on. And those who are proficient with artificial intelligence will be the next set of billionaires in the next 10, 15 years. So be part of it. Start now. There is no time.